This is ITV, please pay attention. World War III is gonna swart in the next 10 minutes. You need to find shelter S&D food and drinks and medical supplies, and do NWI with your shelter for 14 days. By doing SWO results will be injured or deaf. If you look at the blast, it will damage your eyes and force. If someone answer your door, do not answer it. Make sure you have a battery-powered radio. If someone passes away, hide the body somewhere safe in your shelter. Remember, leaving your shelters could end your life. If you have water, it is life. Don't waste IWT. Also, water can use to set out fires. So good luck.